Hello everyone. In this video, we were going to discuss about the present tense. What is the present tense? It is a grammatical tense whose principal function is to locate a situation or event in the present time. Present tense is used for actions which are happening now. Present tense is mainly classified into four parts: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In order to explain and understand present tense, it is useful to imagine time as a line on which the past tense, the present, and the future tense are positioned. So now, let's discuss about simple present first. The simple present tense is used to describe fact and habits. For example, I like chocolate. He plays football. It also used to describe scheduled events in the future. For example, the trains arrive in 5 minutes. The formula is subject plus verb or verb as plus object. The verb with extra s is used if the subject is he, she, or it. Let's take a look at this example. I like chocolate. He likes chocolate. Let's move to present continuous. The present continuous, also known as present progressive, expresses an activity that is in progress right now. The event is in progress at the time the speaker is saying the sentence. The formula is subject plus be plus verb be. Let's take a look at this example below. I am walking. You are walking. He is walking. I use am. You, they, we use are. He, she, it use is. Next is present perfect. Present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past. For example, we have talked before, or began in the past and continued in the present time. For example, he has grown impatient over the last hour. This tense is formed by have or has plus past participle. I, you, they, we use have. He, she, it use has. Past participle is one of the principal parts of a verb. Past participle is used in the present perfect tense and the past perfect tense. Last but not least, present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. It expresses the duration of an activity that began in the past and in progress right now. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has or have been plus the present participle. For example, I've been reading War and Peace for a month now. So that's all for the present tense explanation. See you on the next video. Goodbye.